Oh, may reptiles dito. Ayan yung kiwi. And the kiwi. The dove. Ano yung karero?
No, it's Carrero.
It's like dove.
Oh, it is.
Ayun oh, maliliit na ano.
Now, kiwi.
Oh, kiwi nandito.
Oh, yeah, they're in there. Story.
It's only a kiwi story.
Now, where's the actual kiwi then? Mommy?
Yeah.
Me?
It's a kiwi story.
Living dinosaur.
Huh?
Home of the living dinosaur.
Where?
Yeah, I like dinosaurs.
Suwatara World.
I love dinosaurs.
Oh.
Yeah, no, lizard.
Hi. No feeding niya. Yeah. No, there are ano? Wiho. Wiho. Nasaan siya? Wala, bibilang ata to eh. Ah, ito yung nasa $10. Oy, Kisha, ito yung nasa $10. Oh. Yan pala. Yung bird na nasa $10.
Mommy, I feel like they're playing hide and seek. They're playing hide and seek. You can't see them.
A real dino, a live one.
Ayun siya, kulay green.
Where?
There. Look at the light.
Oh, yeah.
Everyone, it's a dinosaur.
Excuse me.
It's a dinosaur. Excuse me. It's a dinosaur.
Saw a real dino, bro.
It's a dinosaur, Mommy. It's a real dinosaur.
Oh.
See, look. Opened by Lady Isaac, December 2000s.
Opened by Lady Isaac, December 2000. So it's
It's an actual dinosaur.
Oh, let us see.
Buddy, it's an actual dinosaur.
You can.
You're gonna get...
Yon, yung green na yon?
It looks like an actual dinosaur. Mom, there's a gecko under the line. No, this is actually a dinosaur.
Yeah, it's over to the side.
Dinosaur. No, I actually saw a dinosaur.
Oh. Ay!
Yeah. Ayoko na.
Nakakagulat na ko
What
nito.
is this? It feels like I'm in a horror movie.
Oh, look at those.
Huh?
Look at those. They are too tiny. Oh.
Pretty. Can I take a picture
Yeah.
of this one?
Okay.
Hold on. You turn it on.
Hmm. Hmm.
I got the perfect angle. You look at that. Yo! It's a bird! You guys,
Let's
I'm
go.
professional.
Yeah.
I'm better at taking pictures.
Ayan sila. Oh.
Pwede pala ano. I wanna hold them. Snakes!
Oh, wala nga snake dito sa New Zealand.
Gosh!
Yeah.
Or else I'm gonna scream.
New Zealand has no snake. O yan, oy. Demping kanta mo na unang panahon na rin ah.
Lost up.
Oh.
Yo, Dad, did you live here?
Ang puwing kaya kang gara. Ay, tos ko rin brief na.
Are they actual?
O kami.
Mommy, are those like actual vintage plates?
Yes, there are
Can
vintage.
you still buy them?
Yeah.
Really? Where?
Sa mga stores dito. Ay!
Ah!
Nagulat ako sa kanya. Nahiyaw tuloy tayo.
Ayoko na. Okay, we go back to the... So we haven't seen... So we have seen the palette.
Kakariki. Bye-bye, Kakariki.
Goodbye.
It's Matariki Day.
Okay, now, what's number 47? Oh, there was none. We passed it already.
Yeah, it's holiday here.
My birthday too.
Yeah. Kisha's birthday is the holiday.
And I'm taller
Matariki. It's a Maori New Year here in New Zealand.
Hiya.
Oh my goodness.
Ayoko na.
Nangaaway. Ay, naku.
Ay, kumain.
Bakit gumaganyan?
Tumatae.
Ayoko nung bibig.
Hindi. Ako nanginginig. Oh, we're back in the front already.
Yeah, this is the exit one.
Hindi ba ano yung bata?
Oh. Diba? Meron pang
Shoe cleaner.
shoe cleaner,
Na ano lang
shoe
din.
brush.
Can I buy display? I found a monkey in here.
Ken talaga tayo, libro. Eh, pwede nga lang.
This is expensive.
Nano, yan.
You wrap it around your finger.
Huh?
See, look, hold it. Hold on. It's so cute.
At yan eh, nandun eh. No?
Can I buy it?
Ano ba siya?
It's a capybara.
Happy birthday?
Hey, look at this. It's a capybara.
Tignan mo, anong pangalan niya?
It is a capybara.
Ayan yung capybara, laki. Kiwi. And this one is the...
Do I put it back? Do I put it back? I found it right there.
Alin na ka?
There's no capybara.
It's a cool one. You can wear it as a bracelet
Yeah.
outside. Hopefully your hair to wear it outside.
Katang din. Ito na yung wrist.
Yeah.
Oh, likab. Kisha. Oh, say bye here. Oh, nag-enjoy? Bye!